sorry to announce in fifth place. Hey guys, and welcome back to the last ever episode of Come Dine With Me. We've been through quite a lot on our journey to get here. At the end of tonight's episode, we will have the award ceremony with a prize. You probably want to stick by to watch that. Anyway, tonight we have Joanne, our final contestant, and she will be cooking us an Italian cuisine. Joanne actually only has two things in her diet, and that's chili and chicken pesto sandwiches. So if she doesn't make that tonight, that's a plot twist in itself. Okay, so it's time for my come dine with me. Coatsy's very kindly taking me shopping, so I've got my shopping list. Now I need to buy 3 different types of wines. So we're on our way to the shops. Coatsy's very kindly taking me to Asda to get all the ingredients, so we'll update you in the shop.
Buzzing.
So we're in Asda.
Yeah, baby.
Got limoncello. It's £13.50, but fuck it. And that's the shopping bag so far. It's looking quite full. Guys, you're not gonna believe how much that cost me. Take a second to guess. 65 whole squiddies! I'm a bit in shock right now, to be honest. It's a limoncello, I think that done it, and the wine that I had to buy. If I didn't have to buy alcohol, it would have come to 45.
Which is still way more.
Which is still more than everyone else spent. Last ingredient bought of pasta. Basically I'm going to try stuff them. So that's why it has to be big pasta, which is why I couldn't get any in Asda. But it cost me £5, putting my grand total to 70. For starters, I'm doing bruschetta, mozzarella, like tomatoes, basil, and arcini balls. Then for main, I'm gonna do this stuffed pasta shells. And then I'm gonna make my own garlic bread, make little pizza balls. So it's telling me to mix red wine and egg whites. No wait, egg yellows. So now we're making our arcini balls. Okay, I've made my first cannoli, and now I need to fry it. Is out the mozzarella, the arcini, the sauce, the olives. I need to move these over. I just need to put stuff in the oven for the main, and then I'm ready to go. Recording. What do we think it is? What do we think it is? I really hope it's the one. Oh my god. You are actually joking.
I mean, Joanne, you're joking. Right, I'm so glad.
Can you explain what this is? Is this calamari?
No, this is arancini.
Arancini balls.
Arancini balls.
What is that?
Okay, I've never even tried them, and I don't know if
this is too good.
I don't know if and that stuff.
Sorry, but excuse me.
No, actually, shut the front door.
No, guys, this is better than I thought.
No, I didn't.
Oh, the water cups.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wait, guys, this looks amazing.
I'm
so excited.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have no idea.
They're like risotto.
So guys, here we go. So we've got this big bowl here, right, and it's filled with spaghetti. Spaghetti ball. Mozzarella and bruschetta. I've actually not had any yet. Olives. I spilled some of the sauce, and then mozzarella and tomato. How is it?
It's so nice, honestly.
Okay.
Got a bit of balsamic.
So this is
I've been calling
bruschetta gone, mozzarella gone, few of those. But this was piled up like a pyramid.
and they're still being eaten.
will be gone by the night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we're leaving Eva alone with them. guys, it's dessert.
No, it's not dessert, it's main.
It's only.
I don't think I can do it anymore. I'm so full, Joe.
I can't relate. I'm
Joanne's not here.
I'm sorry.
Who are you talking to?
Why even jeans?
I don't know.
You need your
You
eating
know when's
pants
in the
on.
pool?
Wait, did she not say it was ready?
Yeah, she needs to cut something apparently.
Can't keep my hands to myself.
Oh, you idiot.
Idiot.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Wow!
Wow! What? What the hell?
What the Joanne? Sorry, no. This is meant to be like pull away garlic bread, but I don't know how that's gonna work. And this is stuffed pasta shells. And then there are mini pizza bites.
Is that croissants?
But I don't know how well they work.
I
did not expect this.
Asparagus?
Guys, this pasta cost me £5.
Did it really?
So I couldn't get big enough pasta to stuff anywhere except for the little shop.
What is that?
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Pasta filled with things.
Pasta with a mix of
Here,
things.
asparagus, Joe.
Bed.
I love asparagus.
Actually.
Yeah, I thought.
Just what I wanted. So guys, this is a pull out garlic bread. I'm gonna try pull it. Or are you gonna try pull it?
You can get it.
Okay.
I just don't know how well the other layers will come out. Like, you know, like,
Oh, I see. So it's meant to be one bit.
yeah, and then it's like there's more below, but I just don't know how well the below bits will come out.
Ah, well.
This is like
we'll
spag,
cross that bridge
an
when it comes
advanced
to it.
spag bol. Like an
Advanced?
stuffed spag bol.
Oh, yummy.
So guys, this is what I've got. I've got my croissant, I've got my pasta bowls, and my garlic bread. Wait, what actually is this again?
It's a mini pizza.
Mini pizza!
But it kind of is a bit like a pizza.
Guys, my tummy is full. Well, it's not. It's almost full. How are your guys' tummies?
Mine's fine, I'm still gonna keep going.
Oh, little dumpling at Guys, time for dessert. I think that the cake is a bit dead.
I'm so full.
Are you okay?
Please no. I'm so full, Laura.
Please, no.
Please no.
To make cannoli.
What? Look at these.
And then I
What? How did you make these?
They took quite a while, but I don't know what they're gonna taste like.
So a limoncello shot.
So this is
Cheers, girls.
This is to cleanse the palate.
Ooh, lovely.
Do we tan it?
Yeah.
It's a shot now. Oh, fuck it, yeah.
Delicious.
Fuck, it's alcoholic.
Yeah.
That's a really big shot.
In Italy, they do that to cleanse the palate.
Ooh,
I can understand why.
Joanne just dropped a pan out the window.
I'm scared someone was in there.
Hello?
Yeah, you
Wait, how did it happen?
Slipped. I'm just
Okay, so Joanne's meal was so good. The starter was unreal. A lot of effort for the little balls. I can't remember what they're called. They were yummy. The mozzarella and tomatoes was yummy. And what else was there? Oh, the bruschetta, that was really yummy too. Starter was really good. Main, the spag bol under the pasta was so tasty. I think I went back for servings so many times. Pasta was really yummy. So the little pizza things, they were really nice. The garlic breads let her down a little bit. I was expecting quite nice garlic bread. Yeah, it wasn't really garlicky, but I think she knows that. The dessert was quite nice. I never had the originals before. But yeah, they were quite nice. But I probably wouldn't order them, but they were good. Why am I starting? I'm going to give Joanne my highest score of the series and give her a 9. But yeah, it was really good. I was really impressed and I would eat all of it again.
I'm actually like so impressed. She literally made so many like bread things. Like bread to me is always just too complicated to make, and she made pastry, breadcrumbs, garlic bread from scratch. What do I think? So starters, they were actually unbelievable. So she made like the risotto balls and then bruschetta, tomato and basil. Just to rate that bit, I'd say that genuinely the starters was a 10 out of 10. That's not like how this works though. So then the main course, decent. I was so full from the starter because the starter was like a main meal. I couldn't really taste the main, which made me eat less of it. I think that the main meal tasted really nice. I just don't really like mince that much, but I did like it in that scenario, like a little bit of mince. And I thought the main tasted really good. Those pizza things were unbelievable, such a pizza pastry. And then dessert, I loved, what are they called again? They're like sweet quesadillas, they're so good. There was asparagus, right, which mixed it up a bit, but I just would like a bit more veg, maybe. I am going to rate Joanne, but because of the taste and everything else, which was unbelievable, the effort was freaking crazy, I am going to rate Joanne an 8.5 out of 10.
This was my favourite meal by far out of everyone's so far. I am going to give this a 10 out of 10. The starter was perfect, like honestly perfect. I did think it was going to be calamari, like fried calamari with like an alioli, but was not disappointed. And the fact that I ate so much at the starter, I feel like says a lot because it was just so good. Anyway, the main I thought was so original. I thought it was going to be some sort of baked pasta type thing. Honestly, I couldn't really eat much of the main due to how much I consumed of the starter, but overall I thought it was really tasty. The asparagus, delightful. I love asparagus. Dessert, obviously cannolis. I don't think they're obviously not like actual cannolis, how they're properly made, but I feel like that kind of thing, as I said before in another video, that you have to kind of perfect desserts. Like I think you're really lucky if you get them first try. But honestly, I'm not even gonna like downgrade that in mark. I still thought it was like 10 out of 10. My overall enjoyment of the meal from the starter and main was so enjoyable that I don't even care about the dessert. And to be fair, I ate 2 cannolis, so like what am I actually complaining for? But yeah. This is the fullest I've been all season long. But yeah, 10 out of 10, Joanne. This is by far my favourite. Okay, right. I am so full and I'm so tired. I literally think she put like sleeping pills in that or something. What the hell am I gonna give her? Right, I'll just speak to you my thought process. Okay, so starter was literally amazing. Like I literally can't fault the starter. The mozzarella, the bruschetta, like it was actually unreal. What else was it? The things she made, they were like really nice, really filling though, but like, who cares? Probably my own fault that I ate 3. The main was, I thought the main was really good and like really creative. Like who would have thought to make pasta with big bits of pasta, if you know what I mean? Like I just wouldn't have thought to do that. And she had asparagus, which is my favourite vegetable. That was really impressive. The only thing that let her down was the bread, but like she didn't need to make the bread, you know what I mean? And like it was a nice touch and it was still edible, but it was still edible. And then the pudding was really creative as well. And the limoncello shot, I thought that was a lovely touch. I know she put a lot of effort in. Oh my god. I'm gonna give Joanne a 9. That was really good and I thoroughly enjoyed everything. So well done, Jo.
Guys, I'm a bit rushed for editing because this is meant to come out at 8 PM. So I'm just going to speak to you guys on the photo booth because then I don't have to edit it. But well done for all my flatmates for taking part. This actually wasn't my idea. I think it was Eva's idea. It was either Eva's or Joanne's. But yeah, the competition was unreal. Joanne, it was just your meal there and I'm actually drooling editing it. Also, obviously we're going to have the awards in like 5 seconds, so if you can't be arsed listening to me, you can just skip. But if you guys like the Come Dine With Me, obviously we've now got 4 months of summer off uni and me and my flatmates are more than happy to do more competitions. And now that COVID's lifted, we're also wanting to do it with other flats, maybe like Flat v Flat Come Dine With Me. So if you guys want to see that, maybe comment down below or like and subscribe. Just remember, you need to keep up with the good content. Anyway, bye. I need to go edit.
We're just as much a part of it.
Good evening!
Everybody cheers!
I got the joke.
Come Dine With Me, So
4 months in the making. In 5th place!
Actually, I'm the only one that knows the results, so this is actually going to be their reactions to it as well. It's basically what's going to happen.
Full of thickos.
Have you guys been?
Yeah.
Basically, what's going to happen is I'm going to read out the results because as it's on my channel and I'm editing it, I'm going to read them from 5th place to 4th place to 3rd place, and then I'm going to do 1st place, and then I'm going to do 2nd place.
You do first place.
2nd place is going to be such an anticlimax. I'm really sorry to announce in 5th place, though it is.
No, out in general.
Okay.
Right, so this, guys, remember, this is about the fun. It's not about the competition, it's about the fun. So in 5th place,
Drum roll.
with 23 points, is Laura. Laura here, Laura. I don't think she showed up. There's quite a jump between 5th and 4th place in terms of points. The person in 4th place.
I'm 4th place.
Just to say, by the way, so 4th and 3rd place, they were so close. They were 1.05.
So if I'm 4th, Laura Duff, I'm not speaking to you tonight. 0.5.
I'm making no face. 1.05 or 0.95. In 4th place was a bit of a jump here in the next point. 32.45 points is Kayleigh Charles. So now we're coming up to like where it's quite serious because it's
4th place.
3rd place. So in 3rd place with 33.5 points.
Wait, what was 4th?
4th was 32.45.
Okay.
Because people were giving you random scores like 8.75 and 8.9 was. 3rd place with 33.5 points. So I'm gonna have to get the 2 people up here. So I'm gonna do it from 1st place to 2nd place because you both did great, I have to say. You both had outstanding points. But there is a winner, a clear winner.
So what's the point?
So they're in 1st place with almost full marks, 38.5 out of 40. And scoring two 10 out of 10 scores is Kayleigh Spence.
Well done.
Okay, I can sense the tension between them.
What were John's scores?
Yeah, what's that?
I got you a 9.
Okay, so my prize is.
What? Are you joking?
I thought the budget was your
favorite.
I'd like to not downplay 2nd place though, because 2nd place did receive a 10 out of 10 score. So we're telling me more. You don't know. In 2nd place with 36.5 points.
Oh guys, that's pretty.
Want some behind the scenes tea? Katie hasn't spoken to me for 2 months.
I'm not joking.
She hasn't spoken to me.
No, I have. I forgive Laura.
So I'll give you a 10.
You're main.
We've had some in-depth heart-to-heart conversations. Speech.
Yeah, same.
So a speech from the winner.
I'd like to say thank you to my fellow flatmates. I'd like to thank my fellow flatmates for giving me high scores and
Horse girl.
and I'm not sure who else I'd like to thank because I done it all by myself.
Yeah. Talk us through some of your, behind the scene feelings. Favorite
Okay, so my favourite moment of the Come Die With Me was probably
when you dropped the pan out the window.
Oh my god.
my favourite moment was Laura's was Laura's drumsticks, chicken on the bone.
Chicken on the bone, the most hated part of the whole Come Down With Me. You feel sick thinking of my meal.
It's why I am vegan. Right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Why I am